Caddyman's back with some more food for you guys. Hey, we're going to do a little pepper poppers today. We're going to use sweet peppers. Now, you can do this with jalapeno peppers, but if you're like me who can't handle spicy food whatsoever, you got to go a different route. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to take a pepper. Of course, you cut them in half and clean out the stuff in the middle. We're going to put pimento cheese in it, just like this. As always, you got to add love. As my wife Angie says, everything's better with love. Okay? Then you take a half a piece of bacon, wrap it around. You don't even have to use a toothpick if you don't want to. Put it in there. Then you can throw it in the air fryer at 390 for 10 minutes or throw it in the oven at 350 for 10 minutes. And let me show you what turns out. Wow, what about that? Is that not fabulous? That is one of the best little appetizers there is. I want you to try this one and see if you don't like it. See you soon. Bye now.